Most people start a business because you so deeply crave freedom. The freedom to express yourself more creatively, doing work that is meaningful for you and that you are destined to do. From places and spaces that inspire you, and to have the global presence with high-end clients from around the world experiencing the level of financial success that brings you fulfillment while making a bigger impact in the world. Hi, I'm Hannah Fitz, founder of the Global Brand Creation Academy for women entrepreneurs who want to build a profitable, world-class brand, global influence, make a bigger impact while enjoying a lifestyle for freedom. Up until now, you've been trying to grow your business on your own, and you truly desire to create a 6 or 7 figure brand, but for whatever reason, you've been stuck at the 5-figure level. Like many women, you probably feel like you've reached a point where you know you can be or do so much more, yet you're unclear on how to make it happen. You may even have grown up seeing other women in your life who were super talented but stayed on the treadmill, not living their dream, not taking chances, afraid to express their true potential in the world, and believing that their passion was just a pipe dream. And you know for sure that that path is not for you. Because the truth is this: you can be successful, have time to spend with your family, and enjoy the beautiful luxuries that life has to offer. You can create a highly successful brand, working from beautiful cafes or your own home, serving high-end clients all over the world who find your brand online. Clients who tell you that you have changed their lives because you showed up in the world with your amazing high value and a distinct brand. You can get paid really well doing what you're great at and what you truly love. Now, you probably look at the online space and feel like it's overcrowded and completely confused on how some people are making all this work and creating successful brands. You feel lost on where to start or how to even take your business idea and put all the pieces together to market it effectively, get in front of your ideal clients, and become known as an authority in your market, a go-to brand. In a sea full of businesses, you need a brand. How you show up in the market has a big role to play in how successful you will be. And you're the type of woman who cares how things look. And in a highly visual world where customers have shorter attention spans and more choices than ever before, there's no escaping building a world-class brand online, especially if you are looking to attract high-end clients. And you can do it in a way that is elegant and feminine, a way that reflects your true sense of style. The brands that have a powerful brand strategy in place and are leveraging their distinct brand identity to create powerful marketing and sales campaigns while leveraging online systems and tools are able to scale faster, reach a diverse range of clients globally, and enjoy more profit and more freedom. This is the key to a powerhouse brand presence online. In 2010, I left my corporate job as a new product development officer for a financial group of companies to create my international brand working from home. Over the last 10 years, I have had the honor of working with Condé Nast Johansson award-winning luxury hotels, EU and Canadian funded projects, service-based entrepreneurs, lawyers, doctors, health coaches, business coaches, artists, designers, actors, athletes, and I was even hired to rebrand a small historic town. I dedicated myself to learning everything I could about online marketing, investing thousands of dollars to keep on top of the latest and greatest in online marketing in this fast-paced, ever-changing online space. Plus, the application of all the timeless, proven strategies that I knew about building luxury brands to help me create a profitable brand with clients in over 20 countries globally, hosting luxury retreats in dream locations like Paris, Bali, and Milan. You see, your challenge isn't that you're not cut out for the type of brand that you're trying to build or that your business idea is not profitable. Neither is it that there's a shortage of clients or that the market is too crowded or too competitive for you to succeed. And it has nothing to do with the country that you're in or your accent or even who you are. Like Johannan, from a small island in the Caribbean with a population of only 107,000 people, she came to us and she was not able to break through to the six-figure level. She knew that there had to be a better way. She was married with 2 kids and wanted to create a more expansive lifestyle for her family. We developed her brand strategy and uncovered a very profitable gap in the market that she could be well positioned to dominate. She also discovered her brand identity, and this was a powerful process that deeply connected her to a deeper meaning and purpose for her brand. Within 12 months, she had grown her brand to 6 figures. Most people are trying to scale a brand that is not positioned or designed for more growth. What you really need to take your business to the next level and stand out as a world-class brand is a clear and effective strategy that is designed to scale your brand to 6 figures and even 7 figures. The Global Brand Creation Academy will guide you on how to implement the powerful strategies that will help you stand out in the market and attract your ideal clients with greater ease. Now, the program is in 2 phases. Phase 1 is a total of 11 weeks, and we will cover everything from identifying, developing, and creating a solid strategy for your brand. You'll know exactly what high-end products and services to offer, where to offer it, how to price it, and who to offer it to. We'll work on creating your distinct brand identity so that you can clearly understand how to design that $1 million brand image that represents you and your distinct sense of style. Plus, how to tell powerful stories, creating content that is compelling and high converting, helping attract high quality leads and sales to your business. You'll benefit from our brand story and website copy review service to ensure that you're creating the best content possible. This phase is designed to help you implement all the foundational strategies, systems, and tools that enable brands to move from being stuck at the 5-figure mark to break through to 6- and 7-figure success. By the end of phase 1, you will be ready to launch your more distinct and compelling world-class brand with a 90-day marketing plan so that you know the exact action you should be focused on every day in your business. You'll be clear on how you're meant to show up on social media, where and how to find your ideal clients. Now, we didn't just want to stop there and leave you with a plan and no support to implement the plan. This is why phase 2 is an additional 5 weeks of implementation. This is where we dive deep into taking action on your sales and marketing strategy to start calling in your high-level sales, helping you get on the path of getting in front of the right clients and being seen as an authority. You'll learn how to generate new leads on a consistent basis and have the confidence to sell your high-ticket offer. You'll access powerful tools that 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs use to stay on top of leads and sales generations to ensure that they're constantly hitting their goals. You've been searching for answers, hours on Google and Facebook, trying to patch together a strategy from pieces of information and confused on how to put it all together. In this program, you'll be guided in a step-by-step on exactly what you need to do. And you'll have coaching support to help you get it right so that you don't have to do it alone anymore. Like our client Vera from Portugal, who had a business before but had taken a break for 2 years. When she came back into the business world, it had changed. She needed support to position herself as a go-to expert in an online world. Her brand image would have only appealed to a small segment, and so discovering her brand identity, she was able to create a more powerful brand presence that appealed to a wider audience, opening the door to more clients and more revenue. She's now hosting luxury retreats and workshops in 5-star hotels and making consistent 5-figure months. It is time to step into your purpose and share your brand of magic with the world. It is time for you to start getting paid really well for your brilliance and to stand out as a leader in your market. I want to make this a complete no-brainer for you because this program will change your life. And so often we live in our heads and allow our fears to take the front seat instead of our true desires. Because let's face it, you truly desire more success, yet you're secretly afraid that this won't work for you. And we all have these fears. But what separates the women who are living their dream and those who are still wishing for it is the courage to go for it and play full out. I'm inviting you to step into a community where you will be fully supported to build your world-class brand and to get on the track of financial success and true freedom. To surround yourself with powerful feminine entrepreneurs from around the world who are on the same journey with you and can support you while you are receiving high-level coaching from me to build your world-class global brand. When you enroll today, you will get immediate access to our private membership area where you will have access to our welcome packet and over $5,000 worth of bonus resources. You will have access to our orientation guide for online entrepreneurs, which will help you through the tech and tools that you will need to succeed online and in this program. We also know that time management is always a challenge, and we want to support you in setting yourself up for success with greater time management tools and strategies that highly successful business owners live by. The training, coaching, and resources inside this program are high value. What I do know for sure is that when you have the right strategies and systems in place in your business, and your brand is at the level that truly represents your world-class work, it eliminates the guesswork, confusion, and hesitation, and also that scattered action. It also elevates your confidence. You have total clarity, and you know exactly what action steps you need to take on a daily basis to create success faster. Plus, you'll have support to achieve your goals, and you can do it at any age or any stage in business. My desire for the Global Brand Creation Academy is unlike other online programs of its class in that you get intimate attention and direct coaching feedback from me as your coach and mentor on this journey. We deliberately only enroll a handful of clients for this program because my desire is to keep the quality of interaction and feedback high. There's nothing worse than being in an online course with hundreds of people and not feeling seen. I'm dedicated to helping ambitious women turn overwhelm and under-earning into a 5-star lifestyle and soul-elevating success inside the Global Brand Creation Academy. Now, as you scroll down this page, you will read about women like Kinta, who came in as an employee and is now running her own international brand, traveling to meet with high net worth clients in places like China and Vietnam. And Françoise, who was running a coaching business that was draining her energy because she didn't feel connected to being a business coach. And so we created a brand around personal leadership, and now she's making 5-figure months. Ultimately, this academy is for the woman who wants more success with less guesswork. It is really an entrepreneurial program leveraging world-class proven strategies that took small and family-owned businesses from local to global success. It doesn't matter what size your business is at this point in time, or if you haven't even started yet, you can learn to leverage these strategies and create success. Working with clients all over the world, I have seen that many business owners have the same challenge. They have great ideas, great products, skills, and training. But what most people lack is a clear strategy, action plan, and the right tools to grow a successful brand. And now you'll have access to this and more inside the Academy. My goal is to help people like you find the success that they deserve. I invite you to read more on this page and to click the Enroll Now button so that you can begin to dive deep into all the amazing resources that we already have prepared for you. I can't wait to meet you and to work with you and to help you elevate your brand and create that global success that you truly desire.